this training, line worker safety and tool competence, this training is non-biased. So you can use Bierer Meters tools, that's great. That's what we want to see and that's what we want to hear. But if you're using another manufacturer's tools, all this training that you're getting here today is the same. All right? It applies to the other tools as well. It's the principles. It's basically, we're proving your electric reality. We're not going to talk about theory today. And that's why it's so cool about our tools, is because our tools are so accurate, they prove your electric reality. There is no theory.